Hello everybody, this is Eric. Okay, so this is the wings for my airplane. So this one I haven't touched yet. What I did a couple days ago, I actually used a product, this tin, and we got box full of those, of the purple and metal polish on the wings, and it was beautiful and shiny. And then look what happened. It was sitting for 2 days, covered. Actually, we removed the cover right now. There's no moisture on the cover or anything like that. We're in California and it's pretty hot, and this is the result. It's completely ruined my wings. I don't even want to think about how much money it's gonna cost to fix this thing right now. So it was shiny like this, like look like a mirror. And then, you know, we talked to them about the application. They tell us that we should have used that, and some area we did, some area we didn't, but it's no matter because the entire wings right now, and this thing is not coming out. We try to, this is full of the green material right now, it's soaked, and even if you leave it on it, it's not cleaning it. It's completely destroyed my wings. And this is the California costume, the purple. This thing was all shiny and look like a brand new wings, like a brand new, like a mirror. And look at this right now. It looks like if someone graffiti it, and no matter what we're doing right now, this thing completely destroyed the aluminum. I cannot remove it no matter what I do. If you guys know what to do, let me know. We try to polish it even with a buffer, and I don't know if it's going to be safe to try to sand down a layer of the aluminum in order to remove all this. I don't know if it's not going to remove too much. We are outside trying to polish it again in my backyard, where we have light from the outside and everything, but this is look very bad, and I don't know what to do. Look at this. This is really bad. I tried to talk to the owner. I sent him a picture of a edge that he told me how to fix, the owner of the company that's making this, but I did not think that like it's gonna go that crazy, you know, after a short time. I never saw anything like that. I'm sure they did not see anything like that, and I hope someone can explain to me what's going on here. So if you also heard that we're gonna start bringing this product, put it on hold, and I cannot recommend anything yet. Right now I'm in trouble myself with this. See you in my next video. Bye.